Hey guys, let's see how you can use Netflix on a smart projector. As you can see, I have it working already. And here's Netflix. Basically, this is an app that's here inside of the projector and it's already working. I just need to get the remote control and start using it. Another way to use it, if you don't have a projector that's smart, that has the app inside, if you don't have one like this, you can use a stick like this, right? This is an Amazon Fire Stick. You can just grab one of this, or you can use a Google stick like this, or even a Roku stick, all right? I'll leave the link in the description for all devices that I have here, but basically you can just use devices like this. So pretty simple. Let me just come here and show you that I have the remote control. Then I can come here to the Netflix and start using it. So basically here, I just select Netflix, and there's an update available. Okay, I'm gonna cancel right now because I can update later. And you just need to log in with your username and account and you're good to go. See here that I have an option to upgrade. I'm not upgrading right now, so I'll just ignore the version for a while. And I'm gonna have Netflix working. Let me just kill some light here so you see better in the dark. There we go, less light. And now here I can just log in with my user. And just start playing it, right? So super simple. Basically here I have everything that I need using just Netflix that comes inside of the projector, right? I'll just bring some lights back here so we can finish this video. There we go, guys. Basically that's the way you can have Netflix working on a small projector. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.